Hi everyone, this is USMC Marine Sniper. It's here today on a video of a shooting test of a Tokyo Marui G18c and an H&K USP pistol, all of which is airsoft. They're all gas powered. The G18 is a blowback and the H&K is a non-blowback. We're going to do shots at 50 feet and then we'll try 75 feet. Alright, here we go. Okay, here's the G18. We're going to do some semi-automatic on the can down there at 50 feet. Okay, now we're going to do full auto. Okay, that's out of ammo. So, now we're going to do the H&K. And just start reloading that. Okay, we're going to do H&K here. You can only do a semi-auto. Okay, now we're going to shoot the H&K at 75 feet, which is that orange container out there. Okay, it's out of ammo. Alright, you got that?
Yes.
Okay, that's enough for this. Okay, where's the G18? Okay. Alright.
Make it look bad.
Sucks!
You suck at aiming.
Oh yeah, it's me. Okay. Well, anyways, in my opinion, the H&K has a little more accuracy, but the G18 has a fully auto ability. The H&K has more power as well with the tank, and the H&K uses CO2, and the G18 uses green gas. So, I mean, any gun you want, it's your choice as to what you want. Oh my God, you're such an idiot. It's your choice to any gun, whatever you choose to have. But they're backup weapons. What do you want? All right, we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.